There's really no point to booting the PC because this isn't directly related to the PS4 Pro. I'm just proud of my baby, guys. I just love touching her. Hello guys, how are you today? David Franco here from twitch.tv/David Franco. Link right below, follow me, I appreciate it. I stream almost daily. Usually for my PC, PS4, or Xbox One. And speaking of PS4, God, this is a big box, guys. Yes, I bought myself the PlayStation 4 Pro. Now, I've been putting off this purchase for quite a while because, honestly, it wasn't that enticing. It wasn't exactly an Xbox One X in my eyes because it wasn't a massive upgrade, especially considering it doesn't play 4K Blu-ray. Why, Sony? Why? That just baffles me. Isn't Blu-ray your technology? Anyway, I'm not bashing the PS4. I love it. Actually, the PS4 gets... You've got mail. Thank you, PC, who doesn't have a name yet. Actually, question for you guys. Do you name your computers? Seriously, do you? Let me know right below. Anyway, the PS4 Pro is going to be very nice. I got it for two reasons. Number one, my 4K TV back there needs an upgrade, you know, in regards to gaming consoles. I have the Xbox One X, beautiful. I just need to actually use it more. I have the Switch, which is obviously not 4K, and it's never going to be 4K, but that's okay, that's okay. Nintendo does their own thing, and I have a lot of respect for that. But the PS4, my original PS4, which is actually right here, which is now connected to my PC, well, that was not 4K, and I'm not worried about 4K gaming in this room. So, long story short, because my PS4 went from there into here, I'm gonna need a PS4 for over there, because as much as I love my PC setup, trust me, I'm extremely proud of it. I put a lot of time and a lot of money into this. Nothing for me, in my opinion, nothing for me beats a gaming experience on the couch, 65-inch 4K TV, 5.2 surround sound. You just can't beat that, unless you have a better home theater, of course, but I'm just saying, sitting at a desk is a completely different experience than sitting in a living room. Anyway, I don't need to prove that point. I'm pretty sure that's a fact by now. Because I know some people like their gaming headsets, and yeah, they're great, but nothing beats when like your house or your apartment or whatever is shaking from physical bass. I love that feeling. Also, I did finally buy myself Horizon Zero Dawn Complete Edition. That will be here on Wednesday. Cannot wait. Stupid me should have ordered it for today, so I would have had it to play today, because honestly, I don't see myself playing this too much until Wednesday, because I'll be streaming on here tonight. Probably on Xbox One S, because I want to play South Park Fractured Butthole. But I am still extremely excited to welcome this into my living room. As far as I understand, I think it's 2 times as powerful as the PS4, or 2.5 times as powerful as the PS4. You know what? Simply put, it's more powerful. You're going to get 4K gaming in some regard, even if it's upscaling. And of course, you get more storage, 1 terabyte, which yes, you don't necessarily need to buy a new console for that. You can easily swap the hard drive or SSD, which is pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Let's unbox the PS4 Pro. Alright, we have a box within a box, and I'm sorry if it's shaky. This isn't my final recording setup, obviously. This is temporary since I'm not in the office today. I'm not going to unbox this in the office and bring it back. Ugh. But this box might go in the office on display. However, I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed at the quality of the box. Look, it's got like markings all over it. I don't know if I can clean that myself. We'll see. Not a huge deal. It's a box. Ooh, if anything, I might put this on display. Look at that. Why doesn't the box look like that? That's really nice, actually. Nice white and black, and actually it matches my setup beautifully. Alright, here we go. PS4 Pro. And for those wondering, yes, I will have an in-depth tour of this new setup. It's completely different. I got my PC here. I got all my gaming consoles here. So much more room. I actually have storage down here for my controllers. I love it. This is easily the best setup I've ever put together. Alright, so here we go. PS4 Pro, for real this time. Let's see what we have here. Quick start guide. Does anybody read those? Actually, I think I did for the PSVR. Just because I wanted to make sure I did everything right, because it's an HDMI pass-through. Alright, I'm going to have to stand up for this, guys. Get ready for this sexy bod. Take the cardboard off. save best for last. We're gonna take other things out of this package. All right. What do we have here, guys? What do we have here? This is very, very exciting. It's only so often you get to unbox a new gaming console. Okay, this isn't that exciting. It looks like the same crappy mono headsets that Sony gives you. But you know what? It's better than nothing. So, props. I think those are in that bag. Power cable, you need that. USB cable for charging, you need that. However, I don't really need that because I like to charge on my cradle. Although, you might need that for the initial sync. I forget. God, I haven't unboxed the PS4 since launch day. Yes, launch day. How do I get this out without ripping it too much? Oh well. HDMI cable. Very nice. Now, this is exciting, guys. The Dualshock 4, which I'm a huge fan of. Easily the best controller Sony's ever designed. So, upon first glance, wow, my god, it's so weird to hold a new controller. Like, it's been a while, guys. Anyway, upon first glance, it might appear the same, right? Yes, it looks nearly identical. However, up here is a very tiny light strip, which I believe might coincide with the light bar, which is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I've always been a big fan of the light bar. I just think it looks neat, and I love how it interacts with certain games. But yeah, the fact that Sony put an extra light up top, that makes me, the geek who just appreciates lights, extremely happy. So thank you, Sony, for that minor attention to detail. I will say, however, the options and share buttons actually look somewhat different. Look at this new setup. This is just convenient. Yes, the options and share buttons are slightly lighter. Wait, actually, the entire controller, you know what? I thought I was imagining things, but I guess I'm not. I just love details like that. The controller in general is a lot lighter in color than the original DualShock 4. Look at that. New one on the bottom, old one on top. That's a very interesting change. Okay, let's show off the console. Ooh, you get a free trial. You know what, guys? I'm going to give this to one of you. Alright, so this expires February 28th, 2018. So if you want that, use it, alright? Right there. Take it. It's yours. And if you take it, just say thank you. Alright? Just say thank you. Okay, the PS4 Pro. Wow. That is so cool. I don't think I knew this. The bottom of the console, the supports are actually the PlayStation symbols. That's very cool. We have the triangle, circle, X, which is technically cross. We just call it an X. And, of course, square, with the PlayStation logo in the middle. That is actually a genius design. Very cool. And, boom. Actually looks pretty nice. It looks like a stacked cookie, which I think at first I wasn't a big fan of when they announced it. Or was that the PS4 Slim? I'm not sure. But I gotta say, in person, it doesn't look really that bad at all. I mean, yeah, it looks like a giant cookie. I don't know, like a stacked cookie. I'm not sure what to call it. Not an Oreo, but it makes me think of some kind of dessert. And I think this has extra lights on the front. Of course, I'll show this off in future videos, especially my weekend vlog and all that good stuff. And stuff all over my new desk. Power button on the left, which is now physical. And eject button on the right, which is also physical. On the back here, we got I/O, we got HDMI, an auxiliary for, I believe, the PlayStation camera, optical out for audio, USB, and LAN support for Ethernet, and of course, power over here. And you can stand this vertically if you get the stand, which unfortunately is not included. I do wish Sony would include that because the Xbox One S actually includes a vertical stand. At least mine did, the Minecraft one. You can see it right here. So, very cool. I don't think there's anything else I can say. Oh, wait. Yes, there is. Yes, of course there is. Come on. This is me we're talking about. There is USB on the front. 2 of them. So, very cool, guys. Huge success. I am hyped to get this set up. Once again, this is not going in here. This is going in my living room where I actually have a 4K TV and all that stuff. So, you know what, baby? You're going to be treated very well. I can promise you that right now. Shit, they're still watching. Alright, guys. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to buy this for yourself, why not? Come on, start out 2018 right. I'll link it right below on Amazon. Enjoy, treat yourself, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. I sometimes think my attic is haunted.